Under a new bill, your dentist could give you the COVID-19 vaccine.
The bill is up for a vote tomorrow in the legislature and it's expected to pass. The proposal comes during a push to increase the number of people eligible to receive the vaccine. About 20 other states have expanded who can administer the vaccine. New at 6, Francisco Almanar has got you covered on why some who could give out the shot still are not approved to receive it themselves.
During his speech last week, President Joe Biden pushed to get every available hand to administer vaccines. A day later, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services put out a list of vaccinators, including veterinarians. Dr. Jesse Sondel at Sondel Family Veterinary Clinic is excited about that.
And if the President of the United States says, hey, I want your help, who am I to say no? Of course, we're willing, able, and ready to help.
Now, Dr. Sondel says that he doesn't foresee veterinarians will be needed to give out vaccines right away, but as eligibility picks up and demand picks up, that they'll be ready to step up to the plate then.
Veterinarians really care, and that's what it really comes down to. We not only care about our patients, but we care about the families that own those patients.
Vets give pets vaccines all day long, and Dr. Ken Lambrecht at Westtown Veterinary Center explained it would be easier on people.
For her vaccine would be right about here on the forward part of the leg. And in a human, it's about that big. Plus, I haven't seen any people with claws like that.
However, he said there's one major hurdle.
Not being eligible for the vaccine is a huge issue for me.
In Wisconsin, Dr. Lambrecht said that while they're essential healthcare workers, they don't even know when they would be able to receive their own vaccines.
Now, as we get to the other tiers, I would like to see veterinary staff and the teams included as soon as possible.
Regardless, he knows that he and his colleagues in the veterinary profession would be proud to help out. In Madison, Francisco Almenara, 27 News.
The Wisconsin bill that will be voted on tomorrow does not currently include veterinarians. Staff for one of the sponsors says if that were to change, it would be on the floor tomorrow.